Yeah, hello my viewers. How are you doing? I'm back today. Today I'm going to teach you about the basics in Microsoft Word. Now, what I'm going to teach is for beginners, for those ones who are just starting to use Microsoft Word. I'm going to teach you some of the basics. I'm not going to teach all, but I'm going to teach useful things. Now, let's get started. But before we get started, subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified on the videos. Comment and maybe share this video, because in the process of sharing you will be helping others who don't know. Now, when you come to your desktop here, now you're going to come to the taskbar. You will see that word icon, Microsoft Office word icon. Now, for those of you who don't have it here, you're going to come here to the search bar. You type in Word. Yeah, you will see it there. You press on it. You wait it to load. Yes, as you can see on my screen, we have the black document. It gives you alternatives. Whether you want to write a letter, a report, a newsletter, it gives you. Now when you look at the left side, it gives you the recent work you've done. So far this is my recent work, but for those ones who have not done anything, of course you won't see anything, but we are most interested in the black document. Let me tap in it. Yeah, this is the black document. Now when you look closely, you will see the ribbon. This is the ribbon, and this ribbon includes the tabs. Now this is the home tab, this is the insert tab, the design tab, page layout tab, references tab. Now you might get confused, but don't get confused. Some people are using Microsoft Office 2010. Some are using 2007, but that one is outdated. Now I'm using 2013. Those ones running Windows 11, they have 16 and all other stuff. So theirs might not be different from mine, but mine looks like this one. I've been showing you the tabs. Now let me give you a sample of my document. I had written a document here. Let me first close this one. The document is here. A moment. Yeah, my document is here. That is my document. Now let me show you. Now when you are typing in Word, when you make a mistake, Word can correct this word here. Yes. Let me also correct this one. Reduce. Yeah. Now we are going to move these tabs one by one. Let us take the one in the home tab. What do we have in the home tab? We have this bold. How do you use bold? You highlight. When you are highlighting, you move the cursor to the right hand side. You right click your wrong place and you drag the cursor towards the left side. That's how you will highlight, as you are seeing mine here. Then I will be able to bold. You can see my document has been bolded. Let me first increase the size of the document. When you want to increase the size, you come here, down here, you increase. I've highlighted. When I want to put italics, you can see the thing has slanted. I can even underline, decide to underline. You can see it as underline. Now this is strike through, but we are not interested in a strike through, so you can choose to give your heading a color. Let us choose me. I personally like blue. Give it blue. Here you can increase the size. Increase the size. Here, increase the size. You can change the body Calibri text like that one. Now, some people are saying, why are you not talking about this one? This one, you can see when you want to put a shadow behind, I can decide to put, as you can see, let me try to put that one. I think that one is good. You can decide, here is where you center your documents. You can decide to send, I can decide to center it, put it this side, and that. Here I can decide to make my page, I give what I have highlighted color, but I'm not interested in that. So I think we have finished that. You can come here to borders and shades. You can try to draw a table. You can underline your heading. Now let's try to underline. See, now let us come to insert. What do we find in insert tab? In the insert tab, we are going to find, where you can insert a blank page. Now when I insert a blank page, that blank page will come here automatically. You have seen it. By the way, you can undo your work from here. In case you make a mistake, you press here, undo. Or there is a shortcut, you can press Ctrl Z to undo. So we are trying to insert a blank page. That is a blank page. That is a blank page. Here in the table, you can draw a table somewhere, but we are not interested in drawing tables. Now, most people say we talk about adding images in their work. Now, let us try adding an image here. An image. You come to pictures. You come here. Let me try to pick. I pick which one? I pick this one. Press insert. Yeah, my image is inserted, as you can see it. That is me, by the way. Most people will wonder whom I put in. Now you can customize your image here. You can either try to put it in the background like this, in the background of that text. English, leave me alone. The background of the text, you can see it's simple. Now let me highlight. I make these words red. I taught you how to make the color of the letters. Should I make them yellow? Yellow. I think that is good work. Now I want to put bullets. Just come here, I highlight, I show you how they highlight. I come here, I pick what to put. I can decide to put numbers. Let me put numbers. You can see my work is properly numbered. Now, what do we have in page design? Here you can decide to put a watermark. Let me show you how they put a watermark. This is a watermark. You place in the watermark. you come to
hello everyone, welcome.
remove watermark. I want to put the one which is sliding like this, diagonal, but okay, let us leave that. I've shown you how to put a watermark. When you come to page layout, you can find the orientation, the margin. This is where you can put you decide to put margin in case you have an essay, you can margin it. This is orientation. This orientation determines the orientation of your page, either landscape or portrait. You can see mine, it's now oriented, but let me put orientation. When I come to references, I'm not going to tell you all. I say this video is for beginners. This mail margin will also be another video. Now I think we are done. Let me now show you how to save it, but remember to subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified on the videos. Now in case you want to save your work, you will come here to the file tab, you move your cursor down, you go to save as, you look for a folder, but let me just browse it. I want to save a folder on my desktop. I'll go to desktop, I'll look for that folder. The folder I'm looking for is called my project. I press on it, I come and press open, I come there, I press save. Now let us go and see if our document is saved. Let us check and see if our document is saved. You see, it is simple. It is simple. I told you you're going to learn ICT with me. Thank you for watching. I want you to comment what I have not showed you, then I will be able to put it in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Okay, thank you very much.